Hi, this is Dr. Jeannie Barrow with FearlessWomenAtWork.com. Before I get going with my day today, it's going to be a busy one again, which is a good thing, right? I wanted to share a little piece of advice that I've been giving to some of my clients that are looking to find their next opportunity. One of the biggest, marketing collaterals that we have when we are looking for work is our resume and your LinkedIn profile. So many people that I look at their resumes, I find that what they have is really a laundry list of the things that they have done in the past. And so one of the little tools or techniques that I give them is to ask themselves the question at the end of every sentence on your resume, so what? So if you have an item that says generated reports for the portfolio management team, the question would be, so what? So look for what was the result, what was the outcome of you creating those reports, of you doing that task that is listed on your resume, so that your entire resume is quantifiable. And it doesn't have to be necessarily a number. It could be that you improve operational efficiencies, that you reduced errors, that you automated something that was manual. So that means that you have reduced the manual errors and things of that nature. So look through your resume, and if all you have is a laundry list of tasks and functions that you performed, trust me, the resume is not compelling. And then once you go through that exercise and you make it more compelling, then you would take the top items from within the jobs that you did and highlight those on your LinkedIn profile. So that's one of the strategies that I teach my clients on how to make their resumes and their marketing collateral more compelling. If we don't get through the door with those materials, then we're not going to get that interview. So that's a whole nother video for you. So for now, try that and see how it works. Leave me a comment and I will be glad to comment back. I'll talk to you soon.